Good evening, boys, and welcome to yet another day, day number 8. And आज back day, guys. Back and Real Adults Day. Very excited for that, and also it's Saturday, and Saturday is a universal leg day. Bahar, it's pretty good songs and pretty good vibe because leg days are superb. As in, they really build mentality of a gym goer. जो regular intense leg day मारता है, they know that how important leg days are. जिम जाना तो सिर्फ leg day है, बाकी तो मज़े मज़े है. But yeah, apart from that, it's back day of ours. The course of action for us would be uh, two pulls, one vertical pull, one horizontal pull, again one horizontal pull, and a rear delt. So उसमें से एक वर्टिकल पुल वुड बी लोअर लेट फोकस्ड, एक हॉरिजॉन्टल पुल वुड बी अपर लेट फोकस्ड, एंड एक हॉरिजॉन्टल पुल वुड बी मिडल बैक फोकस्ड. उसमें से जो अपर बैक फोकस्ड होगा उसमें से हम वाइड ग्रिप या नॉर्मल क्लोज ग्रिप लैट पुल डाउन्स. द वर्टिकल द हॉरिजॉन्टल पुल फॉर, मैंने पहले वर्टिकल बोला, इट वुड बी वर्टिकल ओनली, एंड हॉरिजॉन्टल पुल फॉर अपर लैट वुड बी द रोइंग, सिंगल आर्म रोइंग मशीन, लो रो है वो. Then for mid back focused, we would be hitting that high row machine from outer extension to lower extension wall. And that's it for the back. And we'll hit rear delts as well on this chest day. That's pretty much it. Chest में हमारा कुछ major stretching होता नहीं है, because we just go for internal shoulder rotations and all of that. सिर्फ shoulder joints खोलेंगे and pretty much lat openings, normal lat stretch and all of that. That's pretty much it. We'll see you after hitting one or two warm-up sets of lats. Let's see you in the gym. Let's go. Hello, boys. So we are already done with our two warm-up sets and plan to go for our very top set for almost 55 or 60. Let's go. Let's think about it. What I'm gonna go for it, but we'll take that kind of weight जहाँ पे we can get about 7 to 8 reps, strict 7 to 8 reps, and about few bar sets. I think 55 would be good, but yeah, let's see. Let's go. Welcome back, boys. So we are already done with lat pull down. We hit, we didn't hit 60s. We hit max 55 and a few drop sets. There's total four sets we did on vertical lat pull down, and last one was a drop set. Here it's a low row vertical horizontal pull, which is lower lat emphasis, uh, lower lat and upper lats emphasis. And let's go for our very first top set. 20s and 10s, 30s already loaded. If wanted, we'll go for 5 plus as well. But right now, wanted to go for 30s only. Let's go. What a set, man. Great. We'll load up five more on this, and then we'll get our very second last set of low row horizontal pull. Let's go. Hello, boys. So I'm already done with the warm up set on this low row mid back focused. Now let's go for 15s and 10s, 25s for the very first stop set, and then we'll load up to five more to go for 15 10s and 5s, that is total 30s. Yeah, that's the plan. Let's go. Good reps only. Focus. What a set, man. Every back exercise is just realization that I can push more, but I left it midway. I think I can still do 3 to 4 reps, but yeah, it was great. Welcome back, boys. So we are almost 90% done with our back day. The only thing which is left is rear delt. Already did my wow, what happened to my time? Already done with my first working set. Let's go on to our very first stop set, 40 kgs. Let's go. Great set, man. Great set. This I would say would be a 8 on 10 or 7 on 10. Yeah, let's go. We are already done with our back day. It was 8 on 10 back day, not gonna lie. It was great. But as I said earlier as well, back days are those days where you always feel like you did less than expected reps because you can technically lift more, but due to muscular failure, you cannot. Yeah, that's pretty much it about the day 8. See you tomorrow. कल क्या है? आर्म्स डे एंड संडे है. विल ट्रेन इन द मॉर्निंग. सुपर एक्साइटेड. सच में यार, empty stomach training is great, not gonna lie, but we cannot do it regularly because of the fact that कॉलेज है. मंडे से कॉलेज स्टार्ट होगा. जस्ट टू लेट यू नो, मंडे से कॉलेज स्टार्ट हो रहा है, सो वील हैव टू मैनेज दिस एज वेल with that, with the gym as well. Yeah, but अभी तक तो हम सिर्फ बायोइन्फॉर्मेटिक्स का प्रोग्रामिंग एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट एंड video editing and all that different shit. But abhi the main load gonna come, college assignments and all of that. Yeah, we'll manage, but we'll keep the spirits high and we'll keep the disciplines high. हम रोज upload करेंगे. And yeah, that's pretty much it. See you tomorrow in the morning, Sunday, day number 9 for arms.